Are you an HR professional looking to take your skills to the next level? In today's data-driven world, HR analytics is no longer a nice-to-have, but a must-have. With our Certified HR Analytics Professional course, you'll learn to harness the power of data to drive strategic decision-making. From research design to predictive modeling, you'll master the skills to optimize HR processes, create impactful reports, and align your analytics with organizational goals. By mastering HR metrics and analytics techniques, you'll be able to forecast workforce trends, identify areas for improvement, and drive business results. Earn your certification and join a community of HR analytics professionals who are shaping the future of their organizations. Take the first step towards becoming a certified HR analytics professional. Learn more and enroll today. For more information, visit us at www.worldacademy.uk.